Telescopic fishing rods are designed to be compact and portable, making them a popular choice for anglers who travel or need to carry their gear in tight spaces. Today on Poseidon Fishing, we're looking at 3 of the best and most affordable telescopic fishing rod and reel combos. Check the prices of all mentioned products down in the video description. The KastKing Compass telescopic fishing rods are made using light, sensitive, and durable graphite composite blanks. Graphite composite rod blanks are lighter than fiberglass fishing rod blanks and transmit energy better, providing improved performance and stronger bite sensitivity. The split rear handle design reduces weight and provides better balance. Only high-quality components are used to construct the KastKing Compass telescopic travel rods. Lightweight graphite spinning reel seats and graphite casting reel seats with a trigger will keep fishing reels securely in place. Stainless steel guide frames with titanium oxide ceramic rings are perfect for use with mono, fluorocarbon, and braided fishing lines. Each travel rod also includes a drop shot style hook keeper. The Compass spinning reel is made using a lightweight and extremely strong graphite frame for durable performance. The PLUSINNO fishing rod and reel combo is a game changer for fishing enthusiasts. This powerful combination of a carbon fiber telescopic fishing pole and a spinning reel with 12+1 shielded bearings offers a range of benefits that can enhance your fishing experience. The telescopic design further adds convenience, making it easy to transport and store the rod when not in use. The spinning reel is equipped with 12+1 shielded stainless steel bearings, offering smooth and reliable operation. This feature allows for effortless retrieval of the fishing line, reducing the risk of line tangles and ensuring a seamless fishing experience. The reel's high-quality construction also ensures longevity, so you can enjoy fishing adventures for years to come. Whether you're an avid angler or just starting out, the Sougayilang fishing rod combo with telescopic fishing pole, spinning reel, and fishing carrier bag is a must-have addition to your fishing gear collection. This versatile and reliable fishing combo offers numerous benefits that will enhance your fishing experience. One of the standout features of this product is its telescopic fishing pole. With its adjustable length, you can easily extend or retract the pole to suit your fishing needs. This makes it perfect for both saltwater and freshwater fishing, as well as convenient for travel. The lightweight and compact design of the rod and reel combo, along with the included fishing carrier bag, ensures easy portability wherever you go. The spinning reel included in this combo is smooth and responsive, providing excellent control and accuracy during your fishing adventures. The high-quality materials used in its construction guarantee durability and longevity, even in harsh fishing conditions. So, which telescopic combo would you take on your next fishing trip? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Poseidon Fishing for more fishing gear reviews and tips.